बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Saida Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faisal Islam School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn class 9 math chapter number 4 factorization exercise 4.2 question number 4 part 3. And there are some of methods to completing the square method middle-term break method. We are using the method middle-term break method. Also there are types of algebraic expression. We are using the type theory. X square plus bx plus c is not equal to 0. And there are also the written, the book answer and the steps too. First of all, multiply the coefficient of first term with the third term. Plus 4 multiplied by plus 5. Plus 5 for the 20. 20 2 5 the 20 5 1 2 5. Two tens are 20. 2 5s are 10 and 1 is remaining. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 2. X plus are plus 12 and x plus 12 is plus 12x. So I am removing this and I am coming to step. Then this and then this. B. Product of 2 must give in the product of first and third term. 4x square multiply by plus 5 plus 5 for the 20x square. So this is coming, and now 10x 2x plus multiply by plus 10 to the 2 tens are 20, powers will be 8. You can check these are same. Now 4x square. Now first I am writing this, then this, plus 2x plus 10x. 10x plus 5. 2x 2 to the 4, 1x is remaining, 2 1s are 2. Plus 5 will be common. 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 then 2x plus 5 and it's become answer. The book answers are written, you can check it. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 5, 2x plus 5. Okay. No subscribe, no like, only share.